Do you guys ever struggle explaining something in just few words? Well, summarizing is a superpower, and today I'll help you to master this tool. My name is Sakshi and I'm your dedicated English language coach. I have helped a couple of students as well as the professionals to improve their communication skills. Summarizing is a skill which is going to help you to write any exam, write emails, or even to start the day-to-day conversation. Today I'll break it down step by step so that you guys could learn it and master it. Well, without good summarization skills, you might struggle to explain your ideas clearly, making people lose interest what you say. At work, this could lead to the miscommunication, or at studies, you could lose your marks in essay or the presentation. And in daily life, you are unable to summarize any newspaper or you suck at storytelling. It's quite frustrating. Well, let's fix it today. I'm here to help you guys. By the end of this video, you would be able to summarize quickly and effectively, whether it's a book, movie, or any important presentation. Well, let me tell you guys that what are the problems we are facing whenever we are trying to summarize anything. So here are basic things like too many information to process. There are lots of hundreds of pages of a book. However, we need to summarize in few and crisp words. So how am I gonna do that? I have that fear in my mind, right? We also have the fear of missing details, that this thought is always running behind our mind, that what if I'm gonna miss on really important detail? Not anymore. Lack of structure. Well, words, grammar, pronunciation, everything is there at the back of your head. However, you do not know how to frame that sentences, right? This is happening with a lot of guys. It's true. Well, it's true. For most of the people, it's true. They know what to say. They have that in their mind. However, they are unable to speak that. Well, let's fix it today. Well, if we are not able to summarize well, there are some repercussions which we are going to face, like your audience gets bored or confused, your message lose its impact, you waste lots of time with the explanation. Not anymore. Let's learn how to summarize in crisp and few sentences. The first thing, whenever we are summarizing anything, we are going to do, identify the main key. Ask yourself that what is the key message. Let's take an example. We are just going to say that this movie explores deep emotional struggles. Well, in place of that, we could say this movie is about personal challenges. Right, guys? And the next thing is keep it short and simple. This is the one thing which I'm always suggesting to each and everyone, that make it simple, make it crisp and short. Use few words, but the meaning should be clear. Well, like I wanted to give an example, like whenever I'm going to say that this book explains different types of leadership and how they impact business. Well, at the place of this really big sentence, we could say that it's about leadership, style, and their impact, right? Start using summarizing phrases like in short. These are some of the phrases we could use while summarizing, and it is going to give you a really good impact. Structure your summary properly, like 1 to 2 sentences for a quick summary, 3 to 5 sentences for a structured summary. Now let's take an example. The company faced financial situation based on poor management, leading to the lots of losses and layoffs. Now, what is going to be the summary version? You all could think about it. What it could be? Well, the summarized version is going to be poor management caused losses and layoffs. Imagine this. You confidently summarize a book in few sentences, explain work updates quickly, or give crisp answers in the exam. People understand you better and you save time and efforts. That's the power of an effective summarization. Now it's time to practice. Download my free summarization guide. The link is mentioned in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You may also comment what's the one thing which you have summarized.